Hi. So this is a wonderful video to support balancing out your energy. We're going to work with 4 different pairs of actions, which are the 8 actions of Qi. So the 8 actions are: we can gather energy, we can release energy, we can lift energy, we can compress energy, push it down, we can make it bigger, we can make it smaller, and we can pull it close, and we can push it away. So those are the 8 actions of Qi. And those are a great one to work with to get movement into your spine, to balance your body and feel more present in this moment. So let's begin by making sure you have a nice, strong stance. Bring your hands out to your side and inhale and imagine creating a ball of light. Exhale and lift it up in front of you at about the level of the heart. Inhale and let's expand it. Exhale, let's contract it. Inhale, let's bring it close. Exhale, let's push it away. Inhale, press it towards the floor. Exhale, we release. Good, and repeat. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, like you're manipulating that ball. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So working with this Qi as we move the energy through, get a sense as if you're leading with your elbows here. You push and you press down and you release. And get this sense of also the shoulder blades beginning to move, the spine beginning to move. This flow happening through the spine, and start to let it be a little more relaxed. So it's not a rigid movement with the spine. You lift, expand, contract, and you start to wave the spine a little bit, keeping that flow happening. A few more times. And release, and one more. Gather, create the ball, lift the ball, expand the ball, contract it, bring it close, push it away, press it down, and release. And then bring your hands to your navel, take a few deep breaths, let that energy settle, and lock it in with a few rubs of the belly in each direction. And I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.